So, you're thinking about taking AP seminar. Let's talk about this. While some people might tell you not to take the class, that's probably because they either didn't like it or because they didn't succeed. You see, AP seminar is basically a gauntlet. The grades alone won't get you through. It's going to require a lot of grit and a lot of focus. Seminar is a research class where you learn how to professionally complete and present research presentations and overcome procrastination to complete research essays. Over the course of seminar, you'll be taking 2 performance tasks and an AP test after preparing for them all year, and that's essentially it. In AP seminar, you'll be taking 2 mock performance tasks. The first is a group project, where you and a group of likely 3 or 4 students will complete not only an 8 to 10 minute presentation, but also complete an individual research report, or IRR. Your IRR will be a specific lens that you look at in regard to your group's project. You'll learn more about this in seminar, but that basically means just a more focused aspect of your group's topic. This essay needs to be around 1,200 words. The second performance task is completely individual, involving a 2,000-word essay. However, this time, you don't exactly get to decide your project as much as you would like. See, the College Board gives you stimulus materials that you have to work with in order to construct an argument. You have to use a certain amount of the stimulus materials in your essay. For me, there was a common theme of free thinking and conformity in my stimulus materials. It basically gives you a broad theme to work with. So, with the sources provided, I was able to write an essay on the dangers of religious conformity. After I did this, I had to make and present a 6 to 8 minute presentation and then answer oral defense questions considering that presentation. Finally, at the end of the year, you take the end of course exam, which is just an argument analysis and mini stimulus source essay. However, AP seminar was a bit of a stinger. You see, AP seminar is part of a thing called the AP Capstone diploma. Now, the Capstone diploma involves the completion and passing of the AP seminar and AP research exams, in addition to the completion of 4 other AP exams of your choice. I'll get into the benefits of this diploma in a second. If you manage to push your way through AP seminar and pass the AP exam, which is literally just completing a really good essay, you have the choice of either slapping AP seminar on your resume or continuing the AP Capstone diploma and taking AP research. AP research is a really, really hard class. You take what you learned in seminar and then you pick a topic of whatever you want. As long as it's not too narrow and not too broad and it's actually relevant to society, go ahead and research it. The only catch, it's a 5,000 word paper. You have the whole year to write a 5,000 word essay on your topic, involving not only already written material, like you did in seminar, but also research of your own making. So, for example, if you were looking at invasive species of woodpeckers attacking trees in Utah or something, you can take notes in your backyard and figure out some sort of research method to analyze the question you have. And that's in addition to background knowledge you have to have accumulated through your research. You literally just write a professional grade 5,000 word essay and then craft a 20-minute presentation about it and answer some oral defense questions. And that's essentially AP research. There are 7 major parts of your AP research essay. First of all, you have the introduction, which is what your research is about pretty much. You're just kind of introducing your whole topic, stating your research question. The lit review is the second part of your essay, and it's a review of your major sources. So like talking about the hummingbirds, you could have someone who researched hummingbirds attacking trees in like Nebraska or something, or talking about like snakes attacking trees in Nebraska. Basically, things that guided you to your research or helped you the most. You're going to cover those in your lit review. In the methods section, you talk about how you performed your research. So what you did, your specific approach to discovering what you wanted to find. You want to go into deep specifics here. Then you're going to talk about the results section, which is basically saying what your research found. So in the method you described how you did your research, results is what you found in your research. Discussion, you're going to talk about your results. So when you, in the results section, you're just giving what you found in the method section, and discussion, you're talking about what you found in the results. So the three of them are just kind of tied together. And then finally, the conclusion, you're just concluding your paper, tying everything up in a little bow, talking about, what you found in general. And then finally, references, just every source that you used in an annotated bibliography style. And that's it. After you complete 4 other AP exams, you get the AP Capstone Diploma. So how does the AP Capstone Diploma actually help you? Well, first of all, it looks really good on colleges, not only because of its wide recognition, but because it also shows that you are a very hard worker. In addition, you also get to know how to write really good essays, like these are college grade, professional level essays. And also, you know how to write theses, which is a requirement for college. In conclusion, do the AP Capstone Diploma if you have the grit and determination to do so. Or, just take AP Seminar to have that on your resume, that you did it and you completed it. It's really just your choice of how far you want to take this thing. So, yeah, thanks for watching.